So hello friends, Institute has issued a notification for intermediate and final December 2020 attempt. So I am sharing some of the important points from that notification. So first important point is opt-out facility. So Institute has given opt-out from December 2020 attempt, and your examination fee you have already paid will be carried forward to next attempt. And second important point is student have to select the home based or center based online examination from link given in below, and all the information you have to submit in that form only. And if you have not selected home based or center based, then it will automatically selected center based online examination. So keeping that, you have to submit your form before the due date as given in notification. So third important point is you have to choose your home based online examination, center based online examination, or opt out from a link given in below. So a link is also given in that notification for intermediate and final notification. Link is also given in that notification. So I will share this notification in Telegram, so join the Telegram. So for next important point is in case of home based online examination, so you have to submit the form that is given in point number 3, and all the credential and passkey that will be provided on email ID and SMS only. So you have to enter your correct email ID and SMS on that form also. So if the one more important point is student have to PC or laptop or tablet with internet connectivity, power backup to appear in online examination. Any technical failure like internet connectivity or problem with PC or laptop or tablet, that will be sole responsibility of the candidate. The institute will not be liable responsible for it. So that is most important thing. You have to keep your power backup fully, and internet connection also, strong internet connection will be required for that. So detailed notification will be issued in due course. So next important point is in case of selection of center based online examination, so admit card also will be provided to you, supply of blank rough page also given to you at a center based online examination. So next important point is for all candidate student, including both home based and center based online examination, login credential and passkey for online mock test and examination will be given in current email ID and mobile number. So whatever the passkey and other credential, it will be forwarded to you through email and SMS. And next important point is mobile phone may be used to appear in mock test only. So for a final examination you have to compulsory your PC and laptop or the tablet, whatever it is. So mobile phone will not be available, means useful for a final examination. So next, seventh important point is the last date for filing the form is 12th November. So in point number 3, whatever the form is given, you have to file before 12th November 2020. No request will be entertained thereafter. Next, 8th number point is once you have selected the option to appear in said examination, opt out. No request will be entertained in change option, that is home based to center based or vice versa. So you have to choose your specific option before 12th October. After that, 12th November, after that you will not be able to change it. So keep in that mind, first decide whatever you want and then fill the form. Next important point is option question paper will contain MCQ and descriptive both. So that is also inserted in notification. For all candidate students, including both center-based and home-based online examination, notification, login, and credential passkey for examination will be provided in registered email ID and mobile number through SMS only. So you have to enter your correct email ID and SMS mobile number. Next important point is there will be no negative marking, as we know that also. In all the question paper there will be 2 alternative question, as already said by Pappan sir and President sir also. There will be 2 alternative questions. The next important point is the director of study have already launched online mock test paper with multiple practice series and exhaustive guidelines for intermediate student. So for intermediate and for final it will be activated soon. I hope it will be activated within 1 or 2 days. Next important point is students are requested to practice those series and repeatedly understand the question pattern and to be acquired with the online platform. So it will be recommended to go with practice paper, those which are already given for intermediate, and it will be given for final also. So relative information, instruction, login credential, URL link will be given in due course in email ID or SMS. Next important point is the candidate student who is completing all the conditions for appearing the examination will be allowed to appear for examination. So probable date for result is it will be announced in due course. For all other information you can contact institute through this email ID. So I hope your all doubts are cleared right now. So I will share this link in, I will share this PDF in Telegram channel also. So thank you for watching.